In the early hours of the morning, a surreal sight greeted the shores of Lake Zurich. A massive whale, seemingly out of place, lay stranded on the shoreline, drawing the curiosity and concern of locals. But this whale is no tragic victim of the ocean's depths. It is a man-made art installation, a powerful symbol of the connection between our actions and the environment we share. Lake Zurich, a serene body of water nestled within Switzerland's largest city, is home to a vibrant ecosystem. Beneath its calm surface lies a world of life. Fish, crustaceans, aquatic plants, all thriving in a delicate balance. These waters are alive, teeming with creatures that depend on the purity and health of the lake. Yet, like all ecosystems, this balance is fragile. The health of Lake Zurich is deeply connected to the choices we make as a society. Pollution, climate change, and human activity all send ripples through this underwater community, disrupting the natural harmony that has existed for centuries. For generations, Lake Zurich has been a source of life and livelihood. It provides drinking water, supports local fisheries, and offers a place for recreation and reflection. But what if this lake, this lifeblood of the city, were to face the same fate as our oceans? What if the silent, unseen forces of pollution and neglect began to choke its life away? The whale on the shore of Lake Zurich is a wake-up call. It challenges us to look beyond the immediate and consider the broader impact of our actions. Though the whale is artificial, the message it carries is real. Imagine this world beneath the surface becoming clouded, its life forms struggling to survive amidst pollution. This isn't just a distant possibility, it's a reality that can unfold if we ignore the signs. The lake's ecosystem, like the one this whale once belonged to, is resilient if given a chance. With care and respect, we can ensure that Lake Zurich remains a thriving habitat. As the sun sets on Lake Zurich, let this whale serve as a reminder, a call to action. The environment is not just something we live in, it's something we are a part of, and it's up to us to protect it. For the sake of our planet and all its inhabitants, human and otherwise, let's make sure the life in Lake Zurich continues to thrive.